Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode on our channel. I'm Maddie and this is Kiki and we are Canada's favorite female grill masters.
Today we are comparing different fire starters. We've got the Kamado Joe Fire Starters versus the Weber lighter cubes.
So we've been teaching barbecue classes all spring and summer long and we've gotten tons of questions. What do you guys like better, briquettes or lump? What starts them better, fire starters or lighter cubes? So instead of just answering and not actually knowing the real answer, we thought, let's do a barbecue experiment. Let's test it out.
So today we're gonna be comparing how fast these light both lump and briquettes, the price point, the look, the feel, basically everything about these fire starters to determine which one we prefer.
Are you ready to do this, honey?
Let's do it! The first thing we're gonna do is compare the price point of these fire starters. So we picked these both up online and these ones ran us about $21.
For 24 of them, and these ones were $7.99 for 24 of them. So already I feel like these ones are ahead because price is so important. All right, let's get them out of the package here.
Ooh!
So we know that Weber recommends using 2 of these to get your chimney started. We only have ever used 1 and that has been sufficient.
But if you do follow the rules on the boxes and use 2, you are gonna go through that box twice as fast.
Exactly, so go with what we said, only use 1.
Okay, so let's open up these ones. These are the Kamado Joe Fire Starters. Let's see already, these look at these.
Whoa, okay, so you just snap, okay. Okay, wow. Oh my goodness, seriously.
Does it say?
Okay, there we go. No,
Okay.
There we go. There we go.
So it looks like some kind of like cork material or wood material. These don't really smell like anything.
Interesting. Okay, so this is what they look like together here. Okay, and they look drastically different. So what are these ones made of?
Okay, so let's just take a look here. Okay, wait, here we go. This product contains wood dust. So I think these are made of wood, is what I'm gonna say. That's what it sounds. It doesn't particularly say what kind of wood or how much wood or what else, but it does look like wood smushed together if I were to take a guess here into this weird looking cube.
So these ones on the box, it says they're non-toxic and they're an odorless alternative to start fires. So I think that's referring to the old squeeze lighter fluid. So these ones are better than that. So this is product overload. We got Kingsford, we got Weber, we got Kamado Joe, we got Big Green Egg Lump. So we are going to be testing both of these with briquettes and lump. Enough talking, let's get this started.
Okay, I'm going first with these ones. In order for this to be a fair comparison, we're gonna compare the Kamado Joe Fire Starters versus the Weber lighter cubes using both lump and charcoal for each.
So Kiki has prepped all of our lighter cubes, all of the lump, all of the briquettes, and now it is time to test these out. We're gonna light all of them and then time them to see which one lights the quickest. We are about 1 minute into this barbecue experiment and stuff is already heating up.
My money's on the fire starters.
Come on, lighter cubes! Yeah! Okay, that was a very interesting barbecue experiment. We discovered some findings that neither of us were expecting.
No, not at all. So basically, if you are a lump fan, we're gonna recommend the Kamado Fire Starters. They were much more effective in lighting lump charcoal compared to the Weber lighter cubes. They lit faster, the flame started off a little bit dimmer.
It was a little bit uneasy there for a second. I was like, okay, no, the Weber cube is really doing it because it burst into flames quicker. But the actual Kamado Joe Fire Starter, it was slow, but then it blasted up.
And the proof is in the pudding. The Weber lighter cubes really could not compare with lighting lump. They extinguished very, very quickly. They didn't hold the flame long enough. These ones are definitely going to be what you want if you are a lump fan.
If you're a briquette fan, you're gonna wanna go with the Weber lighter cubes. Either way, the briquettes lit super quickly, definitely quicker than the lump charcoal. But the lighter cube, like we said off the top, you just need one. It burst into flame and then that heat just trickled up the chimney and it just blasted the briquettes into that ashy lit charcoal that we all know is how you get your barbecue started.
Yeah, so if you're a briquette fan, why waste your money? These are definitely more expensive. So we would recommend sticking to these ones for briquettes.
So I guess what this all comes down to is if you're a barbecue fan, you gotta follow the rules. This one specifically says if you're lighting briquettes, use this one.
And this one says if you're lighting lump, use this one. So sometimes in life rules do matter, guys.
You know what? I want to throw this to the